In the Business Technology Management program at Laurier Milton, you'll learn to blend business strategy and technical expertise, preparing you for a successful career in today's digital world.
Earning a specialized business degree from Laurier's Lazaridis School of Business and Economics really helped me feel more career ready. We get to apply the learning that we gain from the classroom through case competitions, case studies, and our grade co-op program.
And what that gives you is both a combination of academic knowledge and real-world experience.
Laurier staff and the close-knit community have really helped me throughout my academic journey.
With small class sizes, you're able to really get to know all of your classmates and even your professors.
All the professors here are very invested in our future endeavors.
They want you to succeed here at Laurier.
The BTM program is the bridge between business and technology.
All the knowledge you learn, it's not just theoretical, it's being applied in the real world.
Being able to use the skills that I gained in technology and apply them to my passion of business is why I chose the BTM program.